A little bit of a different video this week. The dishwasher's broke. Let me show you what it does. Okay, we're out of clean bowls. Fuck you. So it does this. When you open it up, it just drops. There's no tension or play on it. There's a pill you can take though, but it only lasts for 4 hours. Tiger Lily, get out of the shop. First thing we got to do is slide it out. Mine had 2 screws on the side holding it into the counter. Alright, I think that's about as far as I have to slide it out. Here's the problem, there's this, knock the GoPro over. This spring, this cable that holds the door up. Let's see if it's broke on the other side. Yep, she's broke. That's why I got the droopy door. Alright, so I'm gonna do this side first. Here's the part I used. Your part might vary on your model and make of dishwasher. So here's the old one and the new one. You can tell they're kind of different. We'll see if they work. So the spring's got this little clip in there. You can see this has got some grooves in it, and it just slides in there like so. Maybe. Takes 2 hands, but anyhow, when it's done, it'll be like that. There. Through the magic of movies, it's like that. Don't mind the crumbs on the floor. Alright, so I think this just pulls out. Take it, this just slides in here like so. And I think that would just slide in there like that. We'll go around that like that. Slides out like that. Nothing to it. Let's see. Perfect. All right, and there you have it. Thanks for watching. Like what you see, hit the thumbs up button. Don't like what you see, hit the thumbs down button. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoy it. Hit that bell button if you want me to annoy the crap out of you with all this awesome content. Alrighty, have a good day.